control, like the tide that pulls my soul. She doesn't need to say a word, her silence speaks, her heart is heard. I try to hide, I try to stay strong, but her love keeps moving on and on, like waves that crash against the shore. She finds my peace, I need no more. Ocean nights, you calm my storm inside. Every look just feels like home, I can't escape your tide. Ocean nights, you make me feel alive. When I'm lost, you're my guide, my gentle ocean eyes. Oh, oh, oh. We're not perfect, but we're true. Sometimes I fall, but so do you. Through the rain, through the fight, you still bring my soul to light. When I drift away too far, you remind me who we are. Every fear begins to fade when I see the love you made. Love is simple, love is rare. It's in your voice, it's in the air. You don't need to try too hard, you already healed my scars. Ocean eyes, you calm my storm inside. Every tear I've ever cried, you wash them with your light.